Hello guys, welcome back to a Motovlog vlog. This is gonna be part 2 of the audio check with the music in the back. I'm listening to music. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully you guys cannot hear it, so I won't get demonetized. But yeah guys, I got off of work. Right now it looks, I'm gonna need some gas right now, so I'm gonna stop right now, fill up. But yeah, so I'll start right after I fill up and go from there. Alright guys. Well, so guys, welcome back. I just stopped to get some some gas. I was running out, but holy crap! It looks like it's raining right now. I just got like eye drops in my face. Oh jeez. But yeah guys, I just got off of work. We'll see how this goes. Go to the visor. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah guys, welcome back to Motovlog. Yeah, I'm gonna just test out the audio. I'm gonna go on the highway right now and go from there and see how it sounds. Hopefully it should be good, and then I can just pretty much just start using the setup to let you guys know what's up with the channel, what's going on, just keep you informed. Holy crap. That guy just freaking blew the freaking red light. Jeez. Oh man. People. Today's like a Friday night, so people are just freaking being stupid. Sorry for my language, but yeah. But yeah guys, my bike, it's an R3 2015. There's some mods, some add-ons. So right now I got some neon lights on, so it's a safety. And some rim reflective tape. If you guys want to see it, I'll have a video. I'll have a video posted up about the rim tape. It's for the price for it's not too bad. Even the neon lights, it's a whole kit. I have it it's up online right now on my YouTube channel. Go check it out if you guys want to see how to install. I didn't start like completely from the beginning. I already started to install it, and you guys see it. But yeah. So I just got on the highway. We'll see how it goes. Damn. Yeah, it's a Friday night. It's raining. Oh man, that's gonna be interesting. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah. Alright guys, so from here on I just be quiet and just enjoy the ride. Alright. Not too bad. It's gonna feel refreshing. Going off. There you go. Audio cut off, my music cut off, so there goes my test. Yeah, we'll see. I think that's long enough. But yeah, it's getting a bit worse on the rain here. I guess that it's not too bad yet. It's not thunderstorming. Yeah, guys. I was wrong. It is thunderstorming and woo! Holy crap. Hopefully I can make it home before it comes down. Oh man. I didn't even see nothing in the forecast that is gonna be thunderstorming. At the same time I didn't check, so that's my fault. We'll see. Gotta check my time at the same time, hurry before it starts pouring like a like something. Alright guys, at this point I will leave you guys here. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you guys later.